Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from PayPal to your Postpay. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So let's start. So to transferring the money from PayPal to Postpay, you need to follow these steps. So first is link your Postpay card to PayPal. So just log in your PayPal wallet, PayPal account, then go to the wallet and there will be an option of link a card or link a bank account. So you have to click on that and then you need to enter your Postpay card details such as your card number, expiry date and CVV. Then you need to select the card type as a Visa because the most Postpay card are the is Visa Electron. So then you complete the process and confirm the card if PayPal request verification. So what verification you need to do is a small charge with a code will be appear on your card statement, which will you need to enter on PayPal. So once you have added your Postpay card to your PayPal, you need to do the second step, what is the add funds to Postpay from PayPal. Now ensure your Postpay card is successfully linked and verified. Then you need to log in your PayPal account, go to the wallet and then click on withdraw funds. Now you need to choose your linked Postpay card as a destination. Then you need to enter the amount you want to transfer and then confirm the transaction. Now the step 3 is wait for the funds to transfer. So PayPal typically process withdrawal to the Postpay within 1 to 3 business days. Check your Postpay balance to confirm that the balance have been credited. So these are the steps you need to do to transfer money from PayPal to Postpay. If this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.